AGH Solar Boat is a student team from the AGH University of Krakow, specializing in designing and building solar-powered boats. One of the main projects of AGH Solar Boat is the race boat Celka, competing at the highest level on the international stage. After building Celka in 2021 and then participating in competition in Monaco, we encountered many unexpected structural problems related to the foiling system. We were not satisfied with the foiling efficiency, especially on sea waves, which called into question the very sense of using such a solution in competitions. As a team, we faced a great challenge of rapidly redesigning the struts, wing geometry, flight control, and manufacturing all these elements within just one season. The struts were to be made of ultra-light composite materials, allowing for weight minimization while maintaining excellent strength parameters. In Autodesk Inventor, we created the most important CAD models that met the set assumptions. Thanks to Inventor assembly functions, we were able to quickly introduce the next iterations of the project. The flight control mechanism was completely changed, from the concept of moving the entire strut to controlling only the hydrofoil itself. We performed a series of FEA simulations of the new mechanism in Inventor Nastra. Thanks to this, in a short time and at a zero cost, we reduced the weight of the new hydrofoil mounting. After completing the design phase, the composites team created programs for milling molds for the designed components. Crucial to this was Fusion CAM, enabling the generation of a program for the CNC machine. We managed to achieve our goal. Thanks to the hard work of the entire team, our boat achieved third place in the most prestigious competition, Monaco Energy Boat Challenge. The support of our strategic partner played a key role. Matt, as a distributor of HP workstations and a provider of high-quality training courses for Autodesk programs, was crucial to our success. Thank you, Matt.